All right, what's going on, y'all? Here we're looking at a couple of n54 turbo upgrade options. And your most common will probably be this bad boys right here. These are 16T turbos from China. 16 meaning the size of the turbine wheel, which the higher the number, the faster the flow, or the more flow, I'm sorry, you get. They generally keep a stock turbine wheel. Sometimes it can be upgraded to a 9 blade, but generally they keep the 11 blade wheel. They do come with the fixed wastegate. It's a whole lot better design. This one's loose because it's hanging off of here, but on this one you'll really be able to tell. It does not rattle like old designs. Besides that, it's pretty standard. Still fits your OEM downpipe. OEM oil lines. In order to replace your OEM turbos with these, it's actually pretty simple. Direct bolt on, uses the same manifold, same lines. You don't have to change your coolant pipe or anything like that. Only thing you have to change is, depending on the size of the turbo that you get, is your inlet size, which could be 1.75 or 2-inch. All right, now for the big boy, we're looking here at a Precision 6062 Generation 2 ball bearing turbo. Top of the line T4 turbo. Generally, you would upgrade this when you want to go to a single turbo, which can be offered by Dock Race, Speed Tech, On 3, JP, AutoWorks. All those guys make pretty good manifolds. This would just be your top piece. So in order to do an upgrade like this, you would definitely be getting rid of your OEM turbos first of all. You would have a top mount design, which requires a special manifold in order to get you there. Probably have to reroute the water pipe. That's just because of the way that the manifold goes up. And then of course you have to plug in a lot of your, or a couple of your oil feeds and your coolant feed for your turbos. Besides that, it is really crazy. There's a lot of parts that you need to get. So most people, that's the reason that most people actually go ahead and go with the upgraded 16Ts, 17Ts, and now more popular 19Ts. How long they last, really hard to tell. Some of them do come with balance sheets, but I recommend that you guys always go and get them rebalanced. The failing point on this one was actually a bad install. I believe, I don't have the part here with me, but an O-ring was missing from the turbine housing side. I believe over here, the thing that attaches to here was missing, and therefore there was a big boost leak that was created. So pulled them off because I went single, and these actually aren't bad at all, can be reused. Might rebuild them if you already have them out, rebalance them, but good to go. So these are actually going out for they actually sold today, and this sold today. But if there's any other parts that you guys need, any more explanations on these turbos, and to know they are TD03s, yep, TD03s. Some use the TD04, but I believe those are maybe the 17Ts and 19Ts. I think below 16Ts are TD03. Turbine housing there. So, yep, any questions you guys have, hit me up, comment, post. What I would recommend personally if you were to upgrade, probably say go with the single. More money now, but down the line, easier maintenance. You can change out these housings, do some mods, get an anti-surge housing, do a T51 mod, make it sound real cool. And for the looks, it's awesome. These bad boys will get you quick torque. Not the highest horsepower, but you know what? I can't really complain on these because I had some 16Ts on one of my builds, and it's probably the funnest car I ever drove. So, all right, y'all. Leave y'all with that information. I'll talk to y'all later.